So, hey everybody, this is my day second of my 30 days English speaking challenge. So, today, what I'm address to you all, why I take the 30 days challenge and why I, you know, speak like this. So, first thing, foremost thing, I I can understand English, but I can't speak in the front of anyone. I'm just freeze on the moment when I am start to speaking. My mind is goes blank, and I am just like behave like a statue. My mind is gonna be stop thinking on that moment only. So what I'm think that I should you know I should improve my English. I don't have any partner to speak with up. So I decided to be make a video on the YouTube, and on daily basis my mind is gonna be my mind loves task. So what I decide to be take a task of 30 days, and where I speak in the in the phone recording and anything else what I have right now, and put on the YouTube channel. So by this way I can little bit improve my English as well. So that's why I'm start this. And the second thing is, although I want to improve my English, and along with that I want to be consistent on this. That's why I'm start this to be, if I put on the number, then my mind is gonna be in the pressurized to be complete a task what I'm take. So that's why I put a number, like I just record myself daily and uh, put on the YouTube channel. So that's why I'm doing this. So these are the things which I that's why I'm create a YouTube channel and start to, and I'm consistent putting daily videos on the English. And in this video, whatever I speak in only English, no matter what I'm say, where I'm gonna be wrong. I know I do mistake, but I want to do mistake, because after mistake I think I will be perfect. So that's why. So thank you so much guys, this is my day second. And if you want to if I haven't make any mistake on in the sentences making or something else, then you can you are free to comment, or you know um, teach me, like you have to speak like this that. So you are free. So thank you so much guys, this is my day second. So thank you so much.